So this week we're look at the Python compiler. So we're going to look at how most people compile Python. We've been using this online compile at the moment, and we'll look at the difference. So in the first one here, I've got some code for if statement. The first line looks at getting the age and converting to an integer. Then it checks to see if the age is greater than 18, and then it prints entrance is allowed if that is the case. If not, nothing will occur. So let's test that. Control C, go to Python visualize. So make sure it's 3.6, Control V. Good. You see it's blue, that means it's correct. The if statements, this is a condition, and to end the if statement there is a colon, and this indent here tells this programming command that this is what's going to occur if this condition is true. So let's visualize. I'm going to enter the age in as 18. Submit. So you can see here my age is now 18. Now it's going to check to see if that's the case. So forward. Yes, that is true. So now it's going to run this code. Good, entrance is allowed. Alright, so that's the best way to do it. Grab your code, test it in here, see what it does. Now, what we usually do for compiling large programs is the following. We go down the bottom, type in IDLE in the search bar, you'll get this one here, 3.4. Very similar to 3.6. Then we're going to go File, New File, Control V, put that code in. Notice that all the commands are in purple and the if statement's in orange. Go File, Save As. I'm just going to throw up my desktop. I'm going to call it if.py. Always add the py in because you need to tell Windows it's a Python file. Save. Good, you can see there, after I've saved it. To run it, you need to go Run. You check the module for errors. You see here there's no errors. Then I go, click here, Run, and Run Module. You'll see there, it'll ask me for the prompt. I'll type in 18, and then entrance is allowed. So you can sort of see the differences and similarities between the two methods. We'll be spending more time using the Python shell from now on. That is the end of this tutorial.